Welcome to the video where we will talk about why help desk migration is the right choice to go with when searching for a service to migrate your data. With automated service, there's no need for you to put your important projects off for weeks or hire new people to write codes. Help desk migration offers an effortless migration option that you can set up yourself within a couple of minutes. To run the migration, you'll have to complete just 5 steps. First, connect your source and target platforms to our tool by providing the necessary credentials. Select the entities you would like to import and do the mapping. Next, run the free demo migration to see how your data will look once transferred. And, if you're happy with the results, initiate the full data migration. Speaking about credentials. We get it, sharing your personal data with a third-party solution is not what many like to do. But, your data is in safe hands with help desk migration. Here's why. Our service is compliant with all the modern policies, regulations, and agreements. The API and other details you provide are deleted shortly after the migration process and cannot be accessed by our agents. On top of that, help desk migration service offers extra security layers, such as 2-factor authentication and user sessions. Both can be found in the settings of your Migration Wizard account. User sessions allow you to keep track of such details as IP address, the device used during the user activity session, and the login time of your account. We can safely say that your data safety is our priority. After all, such big names as Zendesk, Freshdesk, Help Scout, Kayako, Reamaze recognized help desk migration as its official partner. Set up a free demo and see for yourself that data migration can be easy.